Your first question, Taj Mahal is in which state of India? Option A, Uttar Pradesh. B, Rajasthan. C, Karnataka. D, Kerala. Right answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Second question, where is the headquarters of RBI located? Option A, Kolkata. B, Mumbai. C, Bangalore. D, Chennai. Correct answer is option B, Mumbai. Third question, which city is known as the sports capital of India? Option A, Jaipur. B, Ranchi. C, Bhubaneswar. D, Mumbai. Right answer is option C, Bhubaneswar. Fourth question, Dehradun is the capital city of which state? Option A, Punjab. B, Madhya Pradesh. C, Uttar Pradesh. D, Uttarakhand. Right answer is option D, Uttarakhand. Fifth question, what is the national color of India? Option A, saffron. B, white. C, green. D, blue. Right answer is option A, saffron. Sixth question, which king had started Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj? Option A, Narasimha Varman. B, Harshavardhan. C, Prithviraj. D, Ashok Maurya. Right answer is option B, Harshavardhan. Seventh question, what is the national flower of India? Option A, sunflower. B, rose. C, lotus. D, jasmine. Right answer is option C, lotus. Eighth question, what is the national tree of India? Option A, coconut tree. B, neem tree. C, mango tree. D, banana tree. Right answer is option D, banana tree. Ninth question, which city is known as the city of seven islands in India? Option A, Mumbai. B, Chennai. C, Bangalore. D, Hyderabad. Right answer is option A, Mumbai. 10th question, which planet is called as dusty planet? Option A, Earth. B, Mars. C, Jupiter. D, Mercury. Right answer is option B, Mars planet. 11th question, what is the name of Sri Rama's wife? Option A, Sumitra. B, Urmila. C, Sita. D, Mandodari. Right answer is option C, Sita. 12 question. Which city is known as Chilli City of India? Option A. Mysore, B. Bangalore, D. Belgaum, D. Guntur. Right answer is option D. Guntur. 13 question. Which is the second incarnation of Lord Vishnu in Dashavataras? Option A. Matsya, B. Kurma, C. Kalki, D. Buddha. Right answer is option B. Kurma Avataras. 14th question. Which district of Karnataka is called Kashmir? Option A. Mysore, B. Kodagu, C. Bangalore, D. Vijaypur. Right answer is option B. Kodagu. 15th and last question. Which fruit is called the king of fruits? Option A. Apple, B. Banana, C. Mango, D. Watermelon. Guess the right answer and comment me comment box. Thanks for watching.